Greetings to all. Today we are going to explore the new Beandevice Wilow feature, the over-the-air firmware uploader. It's easier and faster than the wired firmware update. Incredibly smooth as well. So how to do it? Good question. Follow me. Okay, so after launching our Beandevice software, we should start our server. As you see in here, we are using the AX3G Beandevice. The first step is we must make sure that the device is stopped before uploading the firmware. So you must stop it, and then you would see it in here. After that, we'll go to this icon, upload firmware, and this interface shall appear. So as you see in here, we have two possible ways to upload our firmware wirelessly, either via Wi-Fi or via TCP and QTT protocols. So right now we are going to upload our firmware via TCP protocol. It's very easy and very smooth, so just follow these steps. We must at first choose our Beandevice that we want to update its firmware. After that, we must choose the firmware file, and we must make sure that it corresponds to the device type and its range. So I have an AX3D with 2G range, and simply a click on the start button would do its magic. So as you see in here, I have the 3.7 firmware version. I have the device in my hand in here, and as you see, it's blinking. So the firmware is being installed right now. And as you see in here, the server is restarting and the device will appear with the new firmware installed. We upgraded the version of the firmware from the version 3 release 7 to the version 3 release 8. As you see, this version 3 release 8 is only for demo and it will be released very soon. And now we will try to upgrade the firmware through the second way, which is via Wi-Fi by setting our device as an access point. This feature is supported on the version 3 release 7 and above. And now we will move to the second way to upload our firmware. So first of all, we must stop our device, and then we will open the same icon as before, and only change is now that we will upload it via Wi-Fi. In order to do that, we must switch it to an access point. It's done, and then we must connect to this access point. The access point's SSID should be the MAC ID of our device. The password is BeanAir Wireless. Before we click on connect, we must make sure that our Ethernet connection is disabled, if we have any. After that, we connect, we upload our version of the firmware, and we start. It's very fast, so a few seconds and it's done. After that it's done, we must enable the Ethernet connection again, and the device shall appear. And as you see in here, our device is updated with the new firmware version 3 release 8. Thank you for watching, and please contact us on our email down below if you have any questions or if you need any assistance. Thank you again. Goodbye.